Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover your WhatsApp chat history. It's a really easy process and it can come in handy if you've lost your chat history or you've just gotten a new iPhone or phone in general, because this will work on Android as well. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is actually download and install WhatsApp from your App Store. Once you've done that, open up the app and select Agree and Continue. Then you'll want to select Allow so that WhatsApp can access your contacts and other information. Once you've logged in, you should see your backup from your last download or update of your WhatsApp. Make sure you select Restore Chat History and wait for it to load. After it's loaded, select Next and then continue with the update. Once you've completed the update, go to your WhatsApp settings and select Chat. Here you'll want to make sure that auto backup is turned on and set to daily, weekly or monthly backups. Select whichever option you prefer and then go back to your chat, and that's it. Now you know you can recover your WhatsApp chat history. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.